On behalf of the Refuge Place International, we've come back again to do a bit of donation to the Starbase. So this donation, details of it will be given to you by our Chief of Staff, Mrs. Concentrator Yanfo. So representing the Refuge Place International here today is myself, Juma Colley. I'm the Executive Director, the Deputy Director for Operation, James Sua, and our Liaison Officer, Mr. Tamba Bobo. And then speaking on behalf of us will be Mrs. Concentrator Yanfo, our Chief of Staff. Thank you.
Okay. On behalf of Dr. Musukapi Fala and in my own name, Mrs. Concentrator Yanfo, and on behalf of the family of Refuge Place International, I still remember some time ago in July, as if I'm not mistaken, the 15th, we were here making some donations of 44 oxygen cylinders, and we make a promise that we are in connections with our donors who are also willing to help us in helping the Liberian people, giving them back life. So we said we were going to be getting some concentrators into the country, and on the 1st of September we received these things and we decided to come back to Starbase and other medical facilities to fulfill our promise that were made in July. So Refuge Place International, in collaboration with its partner, were able to purchase these concentrators and put them into the country. These concentrators are 10 liters. They do not need refilling. All they need is electricity to be able to give life back to people who need oxygen, be a COVID-19 patient or other patients that will be in need of oxygen. So this is why we have come back to fulfill our promise to Starbase in support of the COVID-19 situation in Liberia. One thing I know that COVID-19 is reducing gradually, and we know that we will overcome it like we did the Ebola before, with the help of our great medical doctors and nurses that are in the field every day working. So we have come as a team to present these concentrators.
So, on behalf of the pillar lead, Dr. Jerry Brown, myself, Dr. Johnny, team of healthcare workers and administrative staff, we continue to say a big thank you to our big brother, Dr. Fala. He said you don't know what hunger is until you've been hungry before. So he being on ground and tasting everything that Liberia has gone through, we can understand and see from his generosity and his perpetual presence, even though he's away, that indeed he will always be here when we need him. All of his donations have been cardinal in the fight against COVID-19, and despite the reducing numbers, he is still always here. And the NGO Refuge place, we are overjoyed. Thank you very, very much for always thinking about us. And I know not just Starbase, but at least we understand that you guys will decentralize this donation to make it be felt at every other facility. In our own weak way, through the WHO, we've also been training healthcare workers on the management of COVID-19 so that people won't just say, oh, only Starbase. At least the knowledge, we didn't go to sleep and learn it. We acquired through experience, and with your help and the help of other partners, we've been able to spread this to every county in Liberia. So thank you very, very much. We will keep this and use it for all its intended purpose. It's in time of peace, always prepare for war. So I know it's a third wave that is gradually ceasing, or at least we know that we'll be ready with the help of our partners and donors, like the people Ministry of Health, our potent minister, Abulmina Jala, and all of the help from WHO, CDC, and the rest, we will be ready with God's help. Thank you very, very much for everything.
Thank you.
Okay.
We now have an official handover to you by our chief of staff. After which we'll take a very quick group picture. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I think the group picture is already.
Okay, we are at Starbase and donation ceremony for oxygen concentrators to the Starbase Hospital by the Refuge Place International, owned by Dr. Musoka Fala. My name is Haji Masare. We say thanks for viewing. We got another location that will be at the 14 Military Hospital, where the donation exercise will continue. Again, I'm Haji Masale. Say thanks for watching.